Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your account and clearing blockers. Sign into the Google account you'll use, back up receipts, and remove recurring subscriptions that prevent a profile change. Once done, open the Google Pay app, tap your profile avatar, then Settings and Payments Profile. You're creating a new payments profile tied to a different country, so make sure you have a local address and a valid local payment method ready. This is required for verification and billing consistency. Now you create the new payments profile. Choose Create New Profile and select the target country, because profiles are country-specific and determine billing rules. Enter the local postal address, phone number, and preferred currency. These must match your new payment method. You may need SMS verification. Follow the prompt. Add a local card or bank account and ensure the billing address exactly matches the address you entered, since mismatches often flag verification failures and block transactions. Finish by setting the new payments profile as your default for purchases and tied Google services, and re-add subscriptions or saved cards. Make sure your Google Play country is updated if you rely on Play billing. Play can limit changes to once per year, so plan accordingly. If the change fails, check for active subscriptions, pending refunds, or outstanding balances. These commonly block profile switches. If you still can't proceed, contact Google Payments support with your verification documents and explain the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.